Solar lights outdoor. 30 LED solar security lights with motion sensor dual head spotlights. IP65 waterproof 360 degrees adjustable solar motion lights outdoor for front door, yard, garden, garage, patio, deck. Invisible pinhole switch and 360 degrees rotatable spotlights. Please use PIN to open the light before installing. Double head and multi-joint rotatable design with 360 degrees solar panels and 360 degrees solar outdoor lights. It can be rotated independently and flexible to adjust any angle you want. PIR sensor and 2 modes. The solar security light has a built-in body motion sensor function and low light sensor. It can detect distances up to 26 feet with a range of 120 degrees. When it is sensed, it shines for 30 seconds and then automatically weakens. Higher 17% conversion rate and 2000 watt. In order to save energy, the solar spotlights have built-in replaceable lithium battery 18650, 2000 watt and light sensor, which automatically turns off during the day and automatically turns on at night. IP65 waterproof and easy installation. IP65 waterproof garden wireless spotlights can be mounted on the wall with screws, suitable for any weather conditions and suitable for patios, lawns, patios or viewing decks. 12 months warranty, 12-month warranty, and friendly answer within 24 hours. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.